Think a bicycle is just two wheels and a chain? Think again. Today, we're looking at 10 mind-bending machines that completely rewrite the laws of physics. We're talking about a terrifying 2-ton titan that weighs more than an actual rhinoceros, an insane speed demon pushing past 144 kilometers per hour, and a mind-blowing creation that costs a staggering $250,000. These aren't just concept sketches. They are real, rideable, and will absolutely make you look twice. If you love mind-blowing engineering, hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. Number 10. The Kwiggle Bike. Let's kick things off with a machine that looks like high-tech origami. Trying to lug a standard bicycle onto a packed subway is a nightmare. But the genius engineers behind the Quiggle decided a bike should fit into your life like a laptop. This micro machine folds down into the exact dimensions of a standard carry-on suitcase. It weighs a mere 10 kilograms, meaning you can casually sling it over your shoulder without breaking a sweat. Do not let its tiny footprint fool you. Once unfolded, it transforms into a rigid commuter beast capable of supporting a rider weighing up to 100 kilograms. Even more shocking, it features a unique geometric drivetrain that allows you to cruise at speeds up to 30 kilometers per hour. The catch? It will set you back exactly $1,827. For a bike that fits under an airplane seat, that is a heavy price for a featherweight ride. Number 9. The Schiller Bike. Next up is a machine built for anyone who looks at open water and thinks, yeah, I could totally ride a bike across that. This is the Schiller Bike, a high-end hybrid catamaran that completely replaces asphalt with H2O. Instead of heavy fiberglass hulls, the Schiller utilizes a maximum payload of 136 kilograms. The entire setup folds down so tightly you can toss it into a compact trunk, and a single person can assemble it in less than 10 minutes flat. Once in the saddle, your handlebars operate a high-efficiency propeller system beneath the water. You can reach a modest top speed of 16 kilometers per hour purely using leg power. It even features side decks to bring a passenger along. If you want to skip the ferry, it will cost you a cool $5,000. Number 8. The Rungu Juggernaut. If standard mountain bikes look too delicate, the Rungu Juggernaut is here to make you look like a warlord. This is a brutal, military-grade off-road electric bike that ditches the traditional setup for a radical dual front-wheel configuration. We are talking about two massive, 12-centimeter-wide fat tires mounted front side, spaced exactly 38 centimeters apart. This gives the Juggernaut incredible ATV-like stability. This $300 monster is powered by a high-torque electric motor that allows it to blast through thick snow up to 25 centimeters deep, slippery mud, and loose sand. It can conquer brutal conditions even when the temperature plummets to a freezing -20 degrees Celsius. With a battery range of 32 kilometers on a single charge, it is the ultimate survival machine. This three-wheeled freak proves exactly why it commands respect. Number 7. The Hydrofoiler SL3. Just when you thought water bikes couldn't get any weirder, the Hydrofoiler SL3 arrives to completely defy gravity. Developed by Manta 5, this $11,000 machine doesn't ride on the water. It literally flies above it using carbon fiber hydrofoil wings. When you start pedaling, forward momentum generates hydrodynamic lift, raising the entire chassis out of the lake. It features a robust electric assist motor that gives you up to 4.5 hours of flight time on a single charge. While it tops out at a modest 20 kilometers per hour, the sensation of carving through water without drag is pure sci-fi. It accommodates riders up to 100 kilograms, and thanks to advanced tilt regulation software, total beginners can master the art of water flying in just 40 minutes of practice. It is part bicycle, part airplane, and completely mind-blowing. Number 6. The Pyrete Ice Bike. Now let's travel to the freezing landscapes of Poland for a machine that sounds like a total myth. This is a fully functional custom bicycle crafted out of Pyrete, an experimental material made from 86% frozen water and 14% wood pulp or sawdust. If you made a bike out of regular ice, it would shatter instantly. But Pyrete is a different animal. The composite structure makes it 4 times stronger than standard ice, giving it a structural blast resistance that legitimately rivals solid concrete. Number 5. The Stupitaler Bike. Most people build custom bikes to go faster, but Los Angeles inventor Richie Trimble wanted to see over a 2-story building. Meet the Stupitaler, an absolute skyscraper of bicycle height that stands at a terrifying, record-breaking height of 6.15 meters. That is over 20 feet in the air, officially recognized by the Guinness World Records as the tallest rideable bicycle on the planet. This monstrous contraption tips the scales at over 91 kilograms. The bottom wheels alone come up to the waist of an adult man. To get power from the pedals all the way down, Trimble had to link 8 standard bicycle chains into a single drivetrain. There are no safety harnesses here. You sit higher than a city bus and pray you don't stop, because if you stop, you face a catastrophic 20-foot drop to the asphalt. Number 4. The AeroVelo Eta. From the tallest bike, we move to the absolute pinnacle of aerodynamic speed. This is the AeroVelo Eta, a human-powered vehicle that looks less like a bicycle and more like a high-tech carbon fiber bullet. In 2015, this machine shattered the world record by hitting an unbelievable 140 kilometers per hour. Not satisfied, the team pushed the record higher to a staggering 144 kilometers per hour. That is more than double the speed of an Olympic track cyclist sprinting. To achieve this insane velocity, the rider lies flat in a recumbent position inside an ultra-sleek aerodynamic shell. There are no windows because a windshield would ruin the airflow. Instead, the pilot steers using a dual-camera system, feeding a live video stream to a dashboard monitor inside. It is pure engineering physics pushed to the absolute limit. Number 3. The Materialized Chopper. If Bruce Wayne decided to buy a custom e-bike, he would buy this exact machine. This is the Materialize, an ultra-exclusive custom creation that took home the top prize at the OBC Cruiser Con in Las Vegas and stunned crowds across Dubai. The jaw-dropping design was heavily inspired by the geometric atomic structures of pyrite crystals. The creators utilized advanced, heavy-duty industrial 3D printing and a proprietary metallic coating technique to create a frame like Alien's technology. It even caught the attention of legendary rock star Slash. Underneath lies a high-performance 1-kilowatt electric motor that can propel this heavy artistic chopper to speeds of up to 50 kilometers per hour. But the most shocking metric is the price. To park the Materialize in your garage, it will cost you a mind-melting $250,000. Number 2. The Square-Wheeled Museum Bike. We have all heard the old phrase, "Don't reinvent the wheel," but some engineers just love a challenge. Case in point, the square-wheeled bicycle. At first glance, a bike with perfectly square wheels looks like a physical impossibility that would result in a spine-shattering ride. But thanks to brilliant mathematical sorcery, this machine actually rides as smooth as silk. The secret lies entirely in the road surface. The bike cannot ride on flat pavement. Instead, it requires a specially engineered track made of inverted catenary curves. By calculating the exact arc to perfectly match the side length of the square wheels, the axle of the bicycle remains at a perfectly constant height as it rolls. The result is a completely flat, vibration-free ride that defies logic. Number 1. Little Johanna. Finally, we reach the undisputed heavyweight champion of mechanical absurdity. Say hello to Little Johanna, officially certified by Guinness as the heaviest rideable bicycle ever built. This absolute titan is the brainchild of Sebastian Beutler, a German welder who spent a grueling 2,500 hours assembling it. little Johanna measures an incredible 5 meters in length, stands over 2 meters tall, and weighs an absolutely catastrophic 2,180 kilograms. This bicycle weighs significantly more than a fully loaded pickup truck or a mature rhinoceros. The frame is constructed from heavy-duty industrial steel and incorporates massive tires salvaged from agricultural machinery. Moving over 2 tons of steel using raw human leg power requires an insane gear transmission. Even downhill, it tops out at a hilariously slow 18 kilometers per hour, making it the ultimate monument to custom engineering marvels. And there you have it, 10 wild machines proving that with enough engineering genius, even a square wheel or a 2-ton steel frame can conquer the road. Which of these double-take masterpieces would you actually dare to ride? Let us know in the comments below. If your mind was thoroughly blown today, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your fellow tech geeks, and subscribe to Vision Base. We've got plenty more jaw-dropping breakthroughs and engineering marvels coming your way. Until next time, keep looking forward, and we'll see you in the future.